The others are ocean currents that have their own dynamics that are not, just getting warmer. They get warmer and colder. And the weather, if you like, because how much ice Greenland loses every year is a balance between how much snow accumulates, that's the weather, and how much flows out from the glaciers.
Those are the only factors.
Basically, there's a little bit of melting and so on that you have to worry about. But those ups and downs are really weather.
Does anything have to do with where the sun aligns with the earth and the precession of the equinoxes?
No, that's much too slow. I mean, over this period, year by year, it certainly has a seasonal effect. These are annual